2013 Dodge Ram Power Wagon 2500 5.7 liter HEMI. Yeah, that was a mouthful. We got stock converters right there and right there, factories. Then we true dualed it, 2.5 straight pipe, all the way back into mandrel bent tailpipes, 2.5 also there and there, with turn downs. You didn't want to see the tips or nothing. You don't see anything when it's on the ground. Be nice and hidden, nice and clean. There she is. We shall let you guys hear it in a minute. Go ahead. The sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Wow. It's like 123. I don't know if you guys saw that again. Go ahead. Yeah, the highest was 123. That's awesome. It's too quiet. It needs to be louder.
Yeah. My wife's gonna be super happy.
Yeah. Now it sounds like a power wagon. Oh, that is just beastly. I like it. Power wagon beast.